From the bustling streets of Paris to the serene beaches of Bali, there is a universal language that transcends borders and cultures, the language of attraction. We are all drawn to those who possess an irresistible magnetism, a certain je ne sais quoi that captivates our attention and ignites our desires. This allure is not merely about physical beauty, it is a potent cocktail of confidence, charm, and a deep understanding of human connection. Throughout history, the art of seduction has been both celebrated and demonized, often shrouded in mystery and misconception. Some perceive it as a manipulative game, a means to an end. However, true seduction is not about trickery or coercion. It is an art form that empowers individuals to embrace their authentic selves and cultivate genuine connections based on mutual respect and admiration. The journey of mastering seduction begins with understanding its true essence. It is not about changing who you are, but rather about amplifying your inherent mei-li. It's about exuding an aura that draws people in, making them feel seen, understood, and utterly captivated by your presence. This essay will serve as your guide, unraveling the secrets of seduction and empowering you to navigate the intricate dance of attraction with grace and confidence. By understanding the subtle nuances of body language, harnessing the power of self-assurance, and mastering the art of conversation, you can unlock a world of deeper connections and fulfilling relationships. Long before words were uttered, humans communicated through the subtle art of body language. This nonverbal symphony of gestures, postures, and expressions speaks volumes, conveying our emotions, intentions, and desires. In the realm of seduction, mastering this silent language is paramount. Eye contact, the window to the soul, is a powerful tool in the seducer's arsenal. A lingering gaze, held for a beat too long, can ignite a spark of interest. It conveys confidence, attentiveness, and a hint of longing that is hard to resist. A playful smile, on the other hand, signals approachability and warmth, inviting interaction and setting the stage for a more intimate connection. Posture speaks volumes about our confidence and self-assuredness. Standing tall with your shoulders back and head held high exudes an aura of power and self-worth, instantly making you more attractive to potential partners. Mirroring the body language of the person you are attracted to can create a subconscious sense of rapport and connection. Remember, the key is to be genuine and authentic in your nonverbal communication. Forced gestures or exaggerated movements can come across as insincere and off-putting. Let your body language flow naturally, reflecting your genuine interest and desire to connect. Confidence is the inner radiance that illuminates our true selves, making us irresistibly attractive to others. It is the unwavering belief in our worthiness of love, admiration, and connection. Cultivating genuine confidence is essential for mastering the art of seduction. True confidence stems from self-acceptance. Embrace your strengths, acknowledge your flaws, and celebrate the unique tapestry of your being. Focus on your passions, nurture your talents, and surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. When you feel good about yourself, it shows in your demeanor, your interactions, and your overall aura. One effective way to boost your confidence is to step outside of your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to try new things, meet new people, and embrace unfamiliar experiences. Each small victory, each obstacle overcome, adds to your reservoir of self-assurance. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect or having all the answers. It's about embracing your individuality, owning your worth, and approaching the world with an open heart and a fearless spirit. This inner strength and self-assuredness act as a magnet, drawing people to your warmth, charisma, and undeniable allure. Words, carefully chosen and artfully delivered, possess an undeniable power to seduce and enthrall. They can paint vivid pictures in the minds of your listeners, evoke a kaleidoscope of emotions, and forge deep connections that transcend the superficial. The art of conversation lies in being an attentive and engaging listener. Show genuine interest in what the other person has to say, ask thoughtful questions, and respond with empathy and understanding. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel heard, validated, and understood. Humor is a potent aphrodisiac. A well-timed joke or a witty observation can break the ice, lighten the mood, and create a sense of shared amusement. However, it is crucial to be mindful of your audience and avoid humor that is offensive, demeaning, or inappropriate. Remember, the most seductive conversations are those that flow naturally and authentically. Avoid rehearsed lines or contrived anecdotes. Instead, focus on being present in the moment, listening intently, and responding with genuine interest and enthusiasm.